Hi guys, welcome back to the channel guys. Today is my yearly April showers bring me flower open collaboration. And guys, I have such a group of lovely ladies that are hosting with me, and these ladies are hosting with me is Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, all things home on a budget, Made Design Connors, Sandy Lynn Home and Gardens, Barbie Daily Rural Life, Mary Life's Journey, Donna Decor and more, and The Prather Life. Guys, I will leave the link to all the ladies in my description box. And this is a vintage style tablescape that I'm creating. The only thing that I have that I purchased new was this. Everything else I had on my stash. So this is going to be a bold and different. I'm going to put this together. I have no plan to how to do it, so let's get started. The only thing that I will not be using is a placemat, okay? So let's get started. This is a vintage style tablescape, and I'm actually using vintage items. So we're going to start with chargers, and I'm doing a table for 4 because this is my April showers bring me flower and also a Mother's Day tablescape, okay? (1930s) plates, clear yellow with this blue color. So this is why I am taking a chance to put in these colors together. It's going to be different shades of blue with the same way different shades of yellow. You don't know how something looks until you put it together. You guys know me, I never plan any of my table, I just go with it. I want to thank all the ladies for hosting with me. I am not, if I host a collaboration, I'm not going to say co-host. We are all hosting together. Okay? So here they are. So that's what I'm using for plates. So now Dollar Tree mirrors. You know, it's kind of close together, so yeah. and flowers, of course. But if you don't have the bird, it's okay. But if you have all three, it's wonderful. So here are my napkins. Okay. The yellow is from the Dollar Tree, and the other ones are from Bed and Barnes, I think it's called. They're thrifted. I thrifted them a long time ago from the Goodwill. Here are my napkins. So I think I want to turn the napkin this way so it looks better. I usually don't put this much stuff on a small table. I usually do a table for two, but this table is actually going to be used. So, all right. I don't know if I'm going to use these candle holders. And if I do, it might be out here because of the flower arrangement. We don't want to have any accident. So I'm going to put them here for now. If I may not use them, I don't know. So, and also remember, I said you have to have an umbrella. So let's get my beautiful collection of ladies that I'm going to be using on this table. And I dedicate this table to all the moms, especially my sister that she's in heaven. It's going to be 7 months that she left us. And it feels like it was just yesterday. So, and I will show you. Here is my umbrella. She's holding an umbrella. I said it doesn't have to be something really big. So you could either use the little umbrellas from the Dollar Tree. I got 4, even though I want to use all 5. So this one is just different, but it's part of my collection. So I'm going to leave it there. Guys, my table is done. I think that's it. I got everything, I think. So let's bring the flower arrangement, should we? So yeah, let's bring the flower arrangement. I'm taking this one out. Okay, in this tablescape, you are going to see my umbrella, my flowers, and my birds are in the flower arrangement, but I also want to share with you my beautiful teapot with the hummingbird here and here. I thrifted it. It's gonna be now about 2 months ago, and I love it. So you guys know that I always have a teapot on my table. That is one of my signatures. So let's put it around here. Well, guys, let me see about, I don't know about these candles. So let's take these candles off. And let's use my tea light candles from the Dollar Tree. Okay, I purchased these ones from the Dollar Tree. Look at how beautiful they are. So let's add a tea light candle there. So I think it's better. So one there, and listen to the center. Okay, here we go. And one there. Okay. All right, guys. Do you know what time it is? It's time to turn off the light and light up the candle. Okay, so let me do that for you guys. So guys, are you ready? Here is my April showers, Bring Me Flowers collaboration. And here we go. Here's my tablescape. To one another. Don't forget to smile overall. Stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you, and I do too. It will be into the next one. Bye bye.